What is going on, guys? Hope y'all having a good day today so far. This fine weekend. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, probably Monday, so the weekend will have passed. So hopefully y'all having a good day at work so far. But we got something new, guys. We got something new. Check it out. Another trailer. Now you may be asking yourself, why would I get another trailer? And that is a great question. I actually did not get another trailer. This is my buddy's trailer. I am babysitting it. You got a nice little one car. Not too bad here. Not looking too bad. One car, little open in the center. Got some Rams. That's a little bit rusty and stuff. See that fender over there, guys? It's got a nice little hole through it. Whoop. But overall, not too bad, man. It's got some new tires, some white wheels. I don't like the white wheels, but it's not mine. What else? Got some new chain equipment going on, new brakes. The little breakaway trailer brakes. Looks pretty new right there. See? It's all new there when it comes to that stuff. Somewhat of new wiring going on. But we're gonna make it a little more better. What's going on here, man? This thing's not zooming in extra. Gotta clean you guys. You guys are a little dirty from sitting. Anyways, we're gonna clean up this trailer some more because you can see here. First of all, one of the brake lights is broken on the passenger side. Also, you see some of the wire hanging right there. I'm gonna have to fix all of that because when we take this trailer back home with the car that's out here, it's gonna need to have brakes. It's gonna need to have all this wiring fixed. So figured I'll take care of it now before we head on that journey down the road. So overall, nice trailer, guys. Just gonna give you an update on what I've been doing the past week. I know you haven't seen a video, so I was picking this up, ordering some parts for it, and in the upcoming videos we're gonna restore this a little bit. You know, do the wiring for the lights, change the light. We're maybe gonna even paint the whole trailer black. We'll see if he lets me. We're also gonna get new fenders because these fenders are raggedy looking. I want to get something better than this, but that's the plan. We shall see what happens. I ordered brakes already, the brake lights. I ordered, there's a caster wheel up here. Let me show you guys. Right here. You see it's on the ground right now. It's just the metal. But there's a wheel missing here. Right there for you guys. That way it's not sitting on that bolt hook. It's sitting on a wheel and you can move it back and forth. But yeah, man. Overall, good bones. And you guys looking for trailers, man, if you can find something cheap that just needs a little work, I mean, if it's a good deal, I should jump on it. My trailer over there, I know you guys probably saw that video before. If you haven't, though, this trailer, you know, it's a little rusty. It did come from up north Indiana area where it snowed, but other than the winch that be acting up, this was 1,500 bucks. 1,500 bucks for me. I mean, good tires. They hold air pretty well, and it's pretty much just sits here the whole time. Full-blown steel deck, which is awesome. Fenders, but as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit of a surface rust. So I'm gonna practice on this one, and then I'll do it to mine, and then both trailers should be looking mint by I don't know, this summer, hopefully. This one will be the first one, and then that one I'll do on my spare time. Since I gotta cover the cars, I don't want to get overspray on any of the cars behind me, next to me, cars everywhere. And damn, I need to cut this grass. Look at this shit. Alright guys, so just a quick update. Next video I'm gonna be working on this a little bit, so we'll probably do the brake lights, or actually we'll do the wiring first. That way all the wiring is perfect, and then I'll mount the brake light on both sides, since we're gonna get some LEDs, and it should be working 100% and be ready for this road trip. Yeah, all right, let's do that, guys. So stay tuned for the next video, restoring this old trailer, And I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Peace.